Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum. Dive into the world of pool cleaning with the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus. Wall scrubbing power ensures a thorough clean on any surface, while its active scrubbing brush takes manual effort out of the equation. The easy-to-maintain top-load filter basket keeps your pool crystal clear, elevating your swimming experience. The plug-and-play efficiency makes pool cleaning a breeze. Just plug in, drop in the pool, and power on for a spotless pool in 2 hours. What you'll love most about the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is its ability to climb walls efficiently, providing a comprehensive clean no matter your pool's shape or surface type. The active scrubbing brush eliminates the need for manual effort, ensuring a pristine pool without hassle. With an easy-to-maintain filter basket, keeping your pool crystal clear is effortless. And the plug-and-play system makes pool cleaning a breeze, delivering a spotless pool in just 2 hours. If there's one thing to consider, it's that the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus may be on the pricier side compared to other pool vacuums. However, the ease of use, thorough cleaning capabilities, and efficiency make it worth the investment for any pool owner. Don't miss out on the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, the best above-ground pool vacuum that will revolutionize your pool cleaning routine. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best above-ground pool vacuums. If you did,